गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड। तो चलिए दूसरा टॉपिक पढ़ते हैं। द बिग पुश ऑन जो बाइडन डॉलर 1.85 ट्रिलियन प्लान। The big push on Joe Biden's social security and climate change plan. Biden will have to negotiate to promote his vision for social security and climate change in what appears to be a rush to the finish line, but is in fact the intention to fulfill long-standing policy promise of the Democratic Party. U.S. President Joe Biden sought to push through Congress an omnibus mega bill seeking $1.85 trillion for social security and climate change, while the initiative seemed to be thrust forward on a shorter timeline so that Mr. Biden could speak of his domestic agenda achievement at the G20 meeting in Rome and COP26 in Scotland. In Scotland, the once in a generation bill speak to issues such as providing universal kindergarten standing and expanded tax credit for present future, reducing health care premium for those covered under the Obama era Affordable Care Act, reducing a waiting list for in-home care, building a million unit of low-income housing and worker training and higher education to balance the implied considerable hike in federal public expenditure. The bill proposed to raise revenue via a $15 minimum tax on the reported profit of large corporations, clamping down on profit shifting by multinational, tighter enforcement for larger corporations and ultra high net worth individual, a 1% tax on corporate tax buyback, and additional 5% tax on income exceeding $10 million a year, and another 3% tax in on income above $25 million, and policy to limit business losses for the very wealthy, and a 3.8% Medicare tax on people earning more than $400,000 a year who did not previously pay and that tax. Although Democrats have 50 senators in the upper house of Congress, and Vice President Kamala Harris could cast a tie-backing vote should the need arise. The passage of this bill, which will be remembered as a major component of Mr. Biden's legacy, hang on the razor EDG. This is the in part because at least two senators from Arizona and West Virginia are potential holdout hold out. The conundrum that Mr. Biden is facing is a paradox of omnibus bill. Difference continues view only some part of the bill as desirable. For example, House Democrats appear unwilling to pass a various of the bill that the Senate the already cleared centennials a $1 trillion bipartisan infrastructure package. Law market such as Parmila Chapal has opined that the Congressional Progressive Caucus would only support the broader vision of the Build Back Better Act. The include the ambitious climate change program, federal paid leave for familiar, a sustainable expansion of Medicare policy, and two free years of community college to success. Mr. Biden will have to negotiate with the stakeholder to find a compromise formula. At stake is the US prospect of climbing out of the recessionary economic through it was pushed into by the pandemic, not only by directly spurring commercial activity through public expenditure but also by investing in education and social security to keep America market competitive.